Most people don't reach their dream not because of failure. Most people don't live their dream because they give up. Those who succeed don't stop at one failure. They don't stop at 10 failures. They don't stop at 100 failures. That's the difference between success and failure. Failure makes winners stronger, but it makes most give up. When we are kids, we don't stop at failure. When we first learn to ride a bike, it's failure after failure. But we get up and push forward until we achieve our goal of riding the bike. Tell yourself the truth. Get back on the bike, learn why you failed, and make sure you don't fall again. Make sure you are stronger for having the lesson. Failure is not the end of your story. It is the start of your comeback story. If the failure was the end of your story, there would be no grades. Failure is nothing but a lesson to the winner. Failure is nothing but the motivation to the winner. No one likes to fail, but the difference between those that win and those that lose in life is the winner decides a better meaning for their failure. They decide never again. They declare, I will be better next time. Don't let failure stop you. Let it grow you. Let it develop you. Failure is not the end. It's just the start. The start of your comeback story. The only way you can fail is if you quit. Never quit. Keep pushing and you will get there in the end. Failure doesn't exist in the mind of champions. All it does is push them to a higher level. Thomas Edison don't fail. He found 10,000 ways that did not work. Failure is just one more way not to do something. Keep going and you will succeed. Failure is not the end of your story. It is the start of your comeback story. You decide. If the failure is the end of your dream, then you also decide. If you keep going, it will be the start of your dream. If you want something you never had, you have to do something you never did. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can, and dream what you want. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. Never give up on what you really want to do. The person with big dreams is more powerful than the person with all the facts. Be who you are and what you feel, because those who mind don't matter, and those who matter don't mind. A year from now, you may wish you had started today, so start now. You say I dream too big. I say you think too small. If you are always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. If your dreams don't scare you, they are not big enough. Every morning you have two choices. Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Life is only as good as your mindset, so remove the people who tell you your dreams are too big. You don't lose good people, but you lose the people who are not good for you. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never change the goal. Good things comes to those who wait, but better things comes to those who work for it. The ones who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones that do. Winners are the losers who never gave up and tried one more time. You have to set goals that are almost out of your reach. If you set a goal that is achievable without any hard work or a thought, you are stuck with something below your talent and potential. If they laugh at you because you are different, then you should laugh at them because they all are same. The moment you put a deadline on your dream, it becomes a goal. Every successful person begins with two beliefs. The future can be better than the present, and I have the power to make it so. The goal is not more money. The goal is living your life on your terms. Focus on the possibilities for success, not on the potential for failure. Work hard in silence. Let your success make noise for you. Don't tell anyone your dreams. Show them results. When the why is clear, the how is easy. And when how is clear, the target is easy. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Success doesn't come overnight. Keep your eyes on your goal and don't look back, because no one can do that better than you. It always seems impossible until it is done. A man without ambition is like a bird flying without directions. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Always remember that your focus determines your reality. You don't get results by focusing on results. You get results by focusing on the actions needed for the results. You get what you focus on, so focus on what you want. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Focus on where you want to be, not where you were or where you are. Success is like a camera. Focus on what's important and you will capture it perfectly. You will never reach your destination if you stop and throw stones at every dog that barks. The only reason someone fails is because of broken focus. Whatever you focus on is what you get. When you focus on good, good gets better. You have your life, you have your dreams, you have your goals. Then why waste time on others? Reason for the failure is not the lack of ability but the lack of experience. If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but you think you can't, it is almost certain you won't. If you think you will lose, you are lost, for out in the world we find. Success begins with fellow's will. It's all in the state of mind. If you think you are outclassed, you are. You have got to think high to rise. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win a prize. Life's battle don't always go with the stronger or faster man. But sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Struggle today for a better tomorrow. Hard work pays, you should always know. No matter how tough may seem the climb, keep moving, keep fighting, one win at a time. Patience go a long way, because for the sunrise, even the longest nights make a way. The path to success is never always easy. There are stops along the way where you will almost go crazy. Do what you love and let it ride. Make confident moves and act with pride. Repeat wins, expect test. Adjusting strategy, a constant quest. Let losses go as opportunities come. Stay positive as a rule of thumb. Take care of your people but keep them in a place. Guide is to their strengths, they're your company's face. Life may be tough, things will get rough. There will be bad days, it may all seem like a haze. But through it all, always stand tall. Through good times and bad, through happy times and sad. As long as you keep moving, you will never stop growing. There is an old IQ test. There was 9 dots and you have to draw 5 lines with the pencil. Within these 9 dots, without lifting the pencil. The only way to do it was to go outside the box. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Don't be afraid to fail big, to dream big. But remember, dreams without goals are just dreams. Step outside your comfort zone because that's the only way you are going to grow. The life front of you is more important than life behind you. If you focus on hurt, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on lesson, you will continue to grow. If you want to fly up, give up everything that weighs you down. Don't compare yourself with others. There is no comparison between the sun and moon. They shine when it's their time. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. No one is best at everything, but anyone can do the best at everything. Prove yourself to yourself. We cannot become what we want by remaining what we are. Be the best version of yourself. Be a voice, not an echo. Not all the storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path. If people are doubting how far you can go, go so far that you can't hear them anymore. Everything you do now is for your future. Losers quit when they fail. Winners fail until they succeed. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. The only person you need to compare yourself to you is your yesterday self. Sometimes the right path is not the easiest one. Be yourself for yourself. Mirror, mirror on the wall, I will always get up after I fall. And whether I run, walk or have a crawl, I will set my goals and achieve them all. Thank you.